This, from the beginning, was a show that was designed by the students. Be able to design a show that is happening both on the floor and happening in the sky.
The show itself is going to be a 5-minute drone show with about 600 drones. The scale of the production is just going to be massive.
We really only had like a month and a half from inception to get this show on the road.
I want this to be really cool because a lot of people are gonna see that.
I'm really happy with how it turned out.
It was a lot. It wasn't easy.
We've envisioned this, but we couldn't do rehearsals. So I'm very excited to see it coming to life.
Pretty stressed, but it's going to be worth it.
This is a long-term partnership and collaboration that we're starting.
I think after this, it'll become a frequent part of large-scale experiences at ASU.
We wanted this show to be great. I think we accomplished that.